Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from TCL TAB 10 second generation. So in order to open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Now decide that you want to get notifications, and remember that you have your free credits banner if you want to send your message for free. Sometimes you have to restart the application to show this banner again. As you can see, banner disappeared, so that I say. Okay, now click on the plus and choose source of your document, like something from the gallery. I'm gonna pick this one for example, select your photos and click on the import icon. Now you can add a shape to your document. Click on the send icon. And now choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible. If you are ready, click on the accept icon. Type the number in this place. Choose the country from the list. And to send this message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.